Now we got the block sitting on this countertop table here. The reason we did that is we installed the cam bearings. All new cam bearings in it. All 5 of them. And another good thing is we installed the camshaft. Slid her in the block and it turned over real nice. So, next thing is to put it back on the engine stand. Drop the crankshaft in it. You can see the block's nice and clean too. Had it blasted. Cleaned the deck up on it. On the block. Basically all I need to do now is finish installing all the pieces and parts. There's the cam bearings used. You got online. Also got the cylinder heads ready to go. Nope, those ain't it. Those are square port heads. What the hell are they doing? Maybe they're right here. There's the rag. Yep, there's the cylinder heads. Did a valve job to them. Popped all the valves in. Installed some new springs. Can't remember exactly which ones they are, but they're blue. Either LS3 springs or something. The cylinder heads are done. And they were, the casting number were they? Here somewhere. $7.99s. Well, like I said, those are done. Got a bunch of other parts, pieces all around here. Got a tub there. All the rocker arms. Here's the rods after cleaning them all up. I know I got ARP bolts for those. If not, I stuck them in yet. Pitted block off. Drag this up on the floor, but good plug. Actually, ain't put the plugs in yet, but tapped all the holes here for plugs. Which are over here. Gotten a little further on the aluminum 5.3 LS engine. Get the crankshaft in. Get all the main bolts torqued, of course. Get all the rods and pistons in. There's some ARP bolts in them. And installed new pistons. Because the old used ones have some pretty good scuffs on them. I believe I showed that in a previous video. We're gaining. Short block's pretty much done. Guess will be the camshaft next, time chain, and all that good stuff. We're gaining, getting further. Pretty much everything went together good except for the rod bolts. They are longer than the stock ones. And they were kind of a pain to get to go the last little distance there. There's some other rods. These are the same rods. You can see it there, but the bolt doesn't come all the way up to the end of the threads. Whereas the ARP bolts are more towards the end there. They're longer. Supposed to give it a little more bolt holding strength and power in there. Anyways, that's how far we've gotten. And when we get further, I'll show some more. Oh, another thing is going to degree the cam, but I had to order a crank socket for an LS because I don't have one for an LS. I only have big block, small block Chevy. that should be here Monday. This is Saturday. Get the cam in, probably degree it and see how it comes out. Hopefully it's right. There's the cam, what the heck is it called? I think I showed the card. Cam Dynamics or something like that. Anyways, I'll show that when we get there. I don't know if I showed this earlier, but there's the pistons, some Engine Tech pistons. Not sure who makes them. I know Engine Tech doesn't make them, they just rebox stuff and sell. Probably your Speed Pros or Civilized or something like that. Made in Mexico, whoever makes them in Mexico, but I've seen some Speed Pro pistons on another channel that were chunking apart, and they were like brand new, so hopefully these ones don't do that. That'll ruin your motor, and you just wasted all your time. Well, getting further on this project, I got the rocker arm trunnion upgrade, or trunnion, or whatever you want to call it, done. You see it's got the better trunnions in it, with the lock ring on it. I don't know what brand these were. I think they were just the cheapest ones you could find. There's the bolts in a bag. Those plastic dealies. Couple washers that came with it. There's all the bags they were in, and there's all the leftover original stuff. With the OEM, GM, trunnions, bunions, corns, whoever they are. The factory cups. Got those backup deals in them, where the needles all sit in. Might help if I actually showed it on the camera. Another little needle bearings laying down in there that they say under high RPM use and high lift cams, those will fall out, work their way out, or whatever they do. We used a vise to press them in. I don't know where the vise one was here somewhere. There's some bolts there. All the nice stuff is soaking the pieces in to clean them up. Rockers did a pretty good job because they're nice and clean. All 16 of them are done. They should be good to go. And I'll show some more and we get some more. Probably the next thing I'll do is degree the cam in. Ain't got that far yet. There's the engine on the engine stand. I need to finish putting it together. Put the cam in, time chain gear, time chain, all that good stuff, and I'll degree the cam in. Just to make sure it's right. Hopefully it is.